What's going on YouTube? Back to channel, it's Money Merrill Tech. Today on channel, we're checking out some more cases for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. All right, coming we got here is the TONGATE. We're gonna check them out right now in the review. Also, side note, don't forget, I'm doing a giveaway for Galaxy Z Fold 7. Also, check out the video on the speaking accessories I got for the Galaxy Watch 2 Ultra. Got some cases and I got some bands. Check it out on the channel. But in the meantime, guys, we're going to hop into the review and check out the case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. First case up is going to be the Torrance wallet, okay? This one comes in 3 different colors: black, purple, and blue, all right? Here's a little ticket card, warranty right there. Case yourself. You got instruction manuals, some cleaning supplies, and adhesive strips that I love to have for backups. You never know when you need it, okay? All right, here's the case, the front part, here's the back, okay? This is a 4-card slot wallet, okay? So like this, put it in there like that. Got a little clip right there. Also have a little door to close up for your camera. All right, let's go ahead and take this off real quick. Peel here. Okay, make sure that you put nothing else. So right now the adhesive is not on here, but I do include it on in the box. So you want to add it on, you could. For now, we're just not going to add it on. Let's go ahead and put it on right now. See how it works. All right, get that on. Get rid of this. Okay. It is a privacy screen. Okay, you put it on. Okay, go it back, lift it up a little bit, and we are on. All right. Before we continue on, price of bad boy is going to vary between $72 all the way up to $87. Okay, depending on the colors and the variants you pick. Now, starting from the front, you have a privacy screen. All right. All right, like so. Nice little screen protector already embedded into the front part of the cover. Protection all the way around the front. On top, cutouts, type C, you can get to it. On the side here, your volume button, clicky. You should access your unlock button just fine. Okay, open it up, protection around the body, just all it is. Nothing, it's not blocking for me opening the case up at all. Go to the back, got this little camera guard that locks when it's open and locks when it's closed, okay? So it's not gonna fly open when it's closed and it's not gonna close when it's open, all right? Also double as a kickstand that has a wallet back here for 4 cards. Before we get to that part, you can do a kickstand like this, maybe like that, maybe like this. Close it up, you maybe use it like this maybe, let's see. Close it up, you do like that maybe. When you do your little flex, we call it the flex application mode on the Samsung Fold. All right, and then let's go back to the wallet part. It's a 4-card holder. We got 4 cards here. Let's go ahead and put this here, and boom. Okay, nice and flush. Got a little money clip there to keep it down. Close it up, and you're good to go. All right, so that right there was a TONGATE wallet. 3 colors: black, purple, and blue. Keep it going. All right, next up is gonna be the TONGATE with a camera guard and a belt loop. All right. Don't ask why, how it's named, this is how it is. Just keep it simple, I guess. All right. In the box, you get a little pamphlet, warranty and stuff, manual, adhesive strips, put on the front part of the case. Cleaning supplies, and then here's the case itself. Similar a little bit, but minus the wallet. Okay, so right here, see how you get this over. Oh, there's a button right here. Okay, that's cool. So that's a little button. That's definitely different. Okay, all right. The front part. Okay. Just gonna put this on real quick. You're on. Take this off. Into the crap. Oh, this one actually I got a adhesive strip on it. Hold on. Yep, this one actually have a adhesive strip on it right here. Okay, so this one actually have a little tab here to pull off for the adhesive. All right, let's go do that now. Boom. All right, now let's put it back on. Might give it a little bit more grip to the front of it. Take this off. Where is it at? Here. Okay. This one also have a privacy screen as well. All right. Now let's see. Note. I'm pretty much telling you about the belt loop, how to work it. All right. Okay. Here we go. Put this on. All the way around, and that's it. Very simple. Okay. All right. Privacy screen on the front. Nice rigidity from the screen. Cutouts on the top. Bottom cutouts. All right. Sides, you can get to it just fine. Buttons. Very clicky. Get your power button by itself. Very exposed. On the back here, you have a camera guard. Okay. Lock in place. All right. Also have a kickstand back here as well. Do like this, like that. Open it up like this. Maybe not like that, but like this. Okay. That'll work out. You're done with it. Just pull it down. Snap in place. It's not coming off. Stay locked in. All right. Spring-loaded hinge. Okay. Not bad. Okay. Actually, really not bad at all. Now, I know last year they had their MagSafe ones, but this year they don't have MagSafes here, which is weird. Okay. So very simple layout. Nice little grips are here on the side for easy to grab on. Okay. You see a little indent right there on the side here. You can put your hands right there, and it fit pretty comfortable in the hand. Okay. All right, let's go put it on the belt loop real quick. See that little button, it's preloaded, wherever it, put it on, and boom. Okay. You want to take it out, boom, just like that. Okay. Put it down, push it in, it pops right in, lock in right in place. I like that. Wow, I like that. Okay. Push it again, come right off. Not bad at all. Okay. So that there was a TONGATE camera slide with the belt loop. Okay. All right, guys, there you go. That right there with a case lineup from TONGATE for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. All right. Everything you see here, I will leave a link down below for easy access, coupons and all right down below. Okay. Now, if I had to pick out of the case lineup, which one would I have to pick? All right. And this one's kind of difficult because usually TONGATE come out with some amazing cases that have MagSafe, but this year they didn't want to put it on the Z Fold 8 Ultra, right? So if I had to pick one, I probably had to go with this belt loop one, okay? The reason being is because I like the fact, you know, I probably never use it, but the little mechanism for this is pretty badass. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, that's pretty badass, okay? So just, obviously I know how to have the front part on, but it's the fact that I could just pop and it goes. It's like that, that's pretty cool to me, all right? But other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.